The polling process. There are 5 steps to the polling process. Number 1 is define the universe. The universe is a term that would mean the whole population that the poll aims to measure. So in the United States, it could be all registered voters or all likely voters. Number 2, construct a sample. A sample is a representative slice of the total universe. Most professional pollsters draw a random sample, so that's where everybody in the universe has an equal chance of being selected for that sample. It's also called a probability sample. A quota sample is one that deliberately constructed to reflect several of the major characteristics of a given universe. So this could be where you have how many Democrats, how many Republicans, how many independents. So you'd want to make sure when you have a sample that you have the correct representation of the actual universe. Preparing valid questions. The way in which questions are worded is very important. Wording can affect the reliability of any poll, and it could skew it to go Democrat, Republican, or to a specific candidate. Interviewing. Pollsters communicate with the sample respondents using various methods, including person-to-person interviews, telephone calls, mail surveys. One issue now is landlines versus cell phones, and how are you actually getting to the people? Because if you only use landlines, that might be older voters and not the younger voters. And then number 5, you have reporting. Pollsters use computers to store and manipulate data, which helps them analyze and report the results of a poll. You also look at the poll results and see how they were. You look at getting a margin of error, and then you look to see if there's any bias in the polls. So this is the polling process. It's a scientific poll, and there's 5 steps to doing the poll.